You've seen it happen before. Someone moves on quickly, as if the love you shared never mattered. They try someone new, dive into a new relationship, and for a moment, it seems like they've forgotten you entirely. It can sting. It can feel unfair. But here's the subtle truth that most people miss. The way to reclaim your value, and sometimes even the person themselves, is not through chasing, pleading, or proving anything. It's through detachment. Detachment doesn't mean indifference. It doesn't mean playing games or pretending you don't care. It means centering yourself so fully that your happiness, your energy, your focus, your life is no longer tied to their choices. You stop giving them the power to define your mood, your worth, or your actions. And when you do this, an almost magical shift happens. The new love they rushed into suddenly feels empty, because in the presence of a person who is grounded, self-sufficient, and unshakable, all superficial attachments pale in comparison. This is where mindful Stoicism becomes your secret weapon. The Stoics teach that you can control your own mind, your own responses, and your own actions, but not the desires or whims of others. When you stop reacting emotionally to their attempts at replacement, when you stop sending messages, checking their social media, or seeking validation from their choices, you reclaim your own power. And here's the irony. That very act of detachment can make them crave what they left behind. Think of it like this. They may have chosen someone new, but the energy of dependency, drama, and constant need that they left behind is not present in the new connection. What they now experience is a pale imitation of what they once had. The laughter that came effortlessly with you, the calm confidence that grounded them, the subtle sense that someone was unmovable yet deeply attuned. All of that they try to recreate, and all of that points back to you. The key here is patience. Detachment is not a stunt to force them to return. It is a deliberate, disciplined way of living that proves, through action, that you are no longer defined by their attention. You focus on yourself, your goals, your health, your growth, your relationships, your purpose. Every step you take in this direction reinforces the reality that your life is complete without them. And it's this completeness that they subconsciously feel the absence of. This isn't about revenge or about making them suffer. It's about becoming someone whose life, whose presence, whose energy is undeniably magnetic. And when they witness that, they realize what they lost. Not because you reminded them, but because your detachment spoke louder than any words ever could. Once you fully detach, something remarkable begins to happen. They start noticing subtle differences in their new relationship, differences they didn't anticipate. The excitement of novelty begins to fade, and with it, the illusion that this new connection can replace what they once had with you. They may find themselves comparing, almost unconsciously, wondering why the new partner can't match the ease, the depth, or the calm confidence you brought into their life. This is not manipulation, it's natural human psychology. When someone leaves a person who is composed, self-reliant, and emotionally balanced, they suddenly realize that these qualities aren't easy to find elsewhere. While the new relationship may have sparks, it lacks the grounding presence, the effortless strength, and the quiet authority that defined you. And it's in this contrast, the calm stability versus the shallow thrill, that they start feeling the void. Mindful Stoicism teaches that your focus should remain on yourself, not on them. You don't obsess over their actions, you don't check in, and you certainly don't try to reclaim them prematurely. Instead, you cultivate habits, skills, and experiences that reinforce your independence. You become someone whose life is full, whose energy is magnetic, whose absence cannot be ignored. And the paradox is beautiful. The more you detach, the more they notice the impact you had on their life. At this stage, your absence is your statement. You're no longer the one seeking validation. You're the one who sets the standard. And human nature being what it is, they start longing for what was lost. They may try to recreate your presence, but they can't replicate the authenticity, the calm self-possession, the quiet power that defined you. That's why their new love begins to collapse in comparison, not because you interfered, but because your life, your discipline, and your detachment highlighted what they truly missed. The key here is subtlety and restraint. You do not force a reunion. You do not pressure them. You simply exist fully in your own life. And in doing so, you become undeniable. People are drawn not to desperation, not to dependence, but to strength, confidence, and authenticity. Detachment, when practiced mindfully, does exactly that. It elevates your presence without effort, and it exposes the emptiness of anything that cannot match it. By the time they realize what they lost, your value is undeniable, and that's when the shift occurs. They don't come back because you chased them. They come back because you chose yourself first, and in that choice, they see the measure of what they truly left behind. The ultimate lesson of detachment is simple. You don't need to chase, plead, or manipulate anyone to reclaim your value. By focusing on yourself, by cultivating inner strength, discipline, and calm confidence, you create a presence that cannot be replaced or ignored. You become the standard against which all others are measured. Remember, detachment is not about coldness or indifference. It's about self-respect. It's about recognizing that your happiness, your purpose, and your energy are yours to control. When you master this, you no longer need external validation. And yet, paradoxically, your absence becomes the most compelling statement of all. They will notice. They will feel the contrast. Detach fully, live fully, and watch as the world, and sometimes even those who left, responds to the strength you always had within you.